Well, the primary purpose of these consultations have been to consult the communities so they understand where these offshore marine areas are in respect to their traditional fishing grounds, the impact this may have, the benefits it may have, and to answer any questions that any of the community members may have. And to gather information on how much support there is for these offshore protected areas. These are proposed offshore areas, and the information that we've gleaned from these consultations can then be presented back to decision makers in government to progress the next steps in designating these areas.
The main message that we're trying to take across. Number one is just to consult the districts of Laos, the people here in Laos, of one, the proposal by government, and two is to get the feedback on the proposed sites. So within the Laos Seascape boundary or within the Laos province, out of the 30%, there is 8.26% of that proposed boundary falls within the Laos province. That is what we're here to do. We are here to consult them on what are their thoughts, and if they have any reservations, and also to document their comments or their reservations.
At the end of these consultations, what we would like to see is government finalizing the 30% that will be protected, getting this through cabinet, getting it gazetted, and then rolling out the implementation. The first part, which we are now concluding, is fairly easy. The second part, which is the actual implementation of the protection, will be costly and will require very close attention by all the stakeholders. And that is the next step we would like to see. So at the end of all the consultations, once the 30% is agreed to, it will be taken to cabinet. Cabinet will then agree, it will then be gazetted, and then it will be up to government to find the resources, and we stand ready to assist in finding some of the resources to implement it through the various ministries, through the various international organizations, through the various regional organizations.